Welcome to another episode of Open Mic. I'm Marc Murphy, CEO of Atlatl Software. Today I'm joined by James Townsend, our Director of Implementations. James, you've been out in the field with our customers. What are you bringing back for us on proper preparation for digital transformation from our customers?
Yeah, that's a great question, Mark, and it's something that we often spend a lot of time with our customers in the first engagements and encounters that we have. And one of the big things that I think is really important for a customer who's looking to go through this digital transformation process is to really take the time to help define their product and understand what it is that they're trying to go to market with. Product definition is something that we spend a significant amount of time on, helping understand what's the main driver of revenue, how do we put the right rules and conditions around the product to make sure that we can achieve quick wins and get success as quickly as possible. So product definition is really important. I would say that another really critical item for a customer to understand is really how their channel operates. With a product like QuoteBooks specifically, it's really important to understand the relationships with distributors and the manufacturers so that we can enable them to be successful and quote effectively and accurately. So understanding the channel partnerships, understanding how you want users to really be using these tools and who those users are is really critical to this process and the success of the implementation.
Great. Thanks for joining us, James.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
We'd love to continue this discussion. Please reach out to us at atlatlsoftware.com.